affiliate marketing to make money online, here's what actually happened. Before we start, I just want to say this: anyone can do what I did. In this video, I'm going to show you everything. How to get an audience, how to find products, how to get clicks and leads, and even how to build a simple website. Basically everything you need to start your own affiliate business from zero using a simple strategy. Alright guys, the first thing I did was look for competitors. Other people promoting affiliate products on social media. The goal is simple: see what's already working and model it. For this, I'm using Instagram and TikTok. Now that we found our competitors, the next step is to look at the products they're promoting and use them as inspiration. Once we've chosen the product we want to work with, we take all the key details about it, get our affiliate link, and add everything to our website. Now that we have the product link, the next step is to create an Amazon affiliate account so we can generate our own affiliate links and start earning commissions. I'll skip this step for now since there are already a lot of tutorials on it, but if you want me to make a full video about it, just let me know in the comments.
Now that we have the product, we need a simple website where we can place our affiliate links and start making money. For this, we'll use Linktree, so just follow my steps.
So in this episode, I showed you how to find competitors, pick winning products, and set up your affiliate links. In the next episode, I'll show you how to get free traffic from social media, no ads, no budget, completely zero cost.